This video demonstrates how to create and manage articles within the Enjo Help Center. It covers manual article creation, AI-assisted drafting, and various editing features to enhance content quality. In this video, we will explore the process of creating an article from scratch. Our Help Center is currently organized into 3 collections, each containing 3 articles. To create a new article or collection, click on the plus button and select Collection if you wish to create a collection. Then, enter the collection name. To create an article within this collection, click the plus button to initiate the process. You will be presented with a blank page where you can begin typing and drafting your articles. But how can you accomplish this using our Help Center agent? Simply click on the Help Center and type Create an article with the, for example, Slack integration in the chat. Depending on whether you have already set up the AI agent, if you haven't, please consult our Getting Started article and Help Center guide. After reviewing that, you will gain a clearer understanding. You will notice that the article is currently being developed, and it will be automatically generated within a few minutes. And here it is. You can just click on the article and review it on this side. Once a neat draft has been formed, we can edit it as per our choice. Now, let's explore how to create a feature explainer article using the Help Center agent. Simply click on the Help Center agent, and your Help Center AI assistant is available to assist you. There are 2 options. Either you can use the pre-built templates we provide, or you can write your own prompt here. So let's go with the feature explainer prompt, and enter the feature name here. You can also edit the prompt to insert images into the article for better visual presentation. To include images in the article, click on the plus icon, select Attach Files, and then, select the specific images you wish to include. The images are now attached in the chat. Let's hit Send now. The article is now being processed, and all uploaded images are being scanned while the content is prepared. Your article has been successfully generated based on the provided screenshots and instructions. The draft already includes step-by-step instructions for configuring guardrails, relevant screenshots for each step, structured formatting, and clear feature explanations. Now, let's open the article and see how the final output looks. You can see that the article starts with a clear introduction explaining what the feature is, how users can configure it, where to find the ITAND who can access it. All uploaded screenshots have been automatically placed in the relevant sections of the article to make the setup process easier to follow. This has reduced the manual effort significantly. You can edit article any way you want. Let's say this image appears a bit large in size. So to adjust the size of an image, simply drag the resize handle located at the bottom right corner inward to reduce the displayed dimensions. We can also edit the article using the / command. Once I press, all available editing and formatting options appear directly inside the editor. If I want to add an image, video, or audio file, I can simply select the required option from the list and upload the content directly into the article. This makes it easy to structure and customize the Help Center article without manual formatting effort. You can also add a video directly inside the article. To add a video, simply select the video option and paste the YouTube video link here. Make sure you have first uploaded your video to YouTube and copy the video URL and add it inside the editor. Another way to edit the article is by selecting the text and clicking on the plus icon available on the left side. Once you are done editing the article, simply click on Save as Draft. The article will then be saved as a draft and will appear inside the Help Center Draft Articles section. You can reopen the draft anytime to continue editing before publishing it. Once the article is ready, you can publish it and configure the article settings. The settings include the article URL, meta title, and meta description. These settings help improve the article's search visibility and SEO performance. One of the most important sections is Configure and Style, where you can customize how your help center will look and appear to users. Before publishing, make sure that under the Domain and SEO section, you can configure the domain where your help center will be hosted. By default, the help center is hosted on a generated subdomain such as help.enjo.ai, but you can also connect your own custom domain. If you want to publish the help center on your own domain, enter your custom domain here and click on Verify Domain. If the DNS is not configured correctly, you may see a message saying the domain is not yet pointing to help.enjo.ai. This is a very important step because your domain must correctly point to the help center before the custom URL can start working. If you are not sure how to point your domain to Enjo, you can check the Connecting a Custom Domain guide available in the Help Center documentation or contact the support team for assistance.